So what we got here is a 2000 Aquasport 16 foot Osprey. Wouldn't really call it a project boat because we've owned it for a couple of years, but as you can see, it's pretty nasty. Yeah, we got water sitting all inside there. Get that going. It's got a 50 Johnson on there. Great running motor. Story behind this is I bought it off of a customer. They had it sitting out for about 3 years, not running anything like that. So I got it for $1,000. Put about $1,000 into the motor, the trailer, all that good stuff. Used it for 2 years. Then we bought a new boat and haven't really used it much since. The battery kind of went dead about 2 months ago, so it hasn't been started in 2 months. One of the intriguing things for me, Aquasport, my very first boat, sorry this wind, was a 17 foot Aquasport. It's a 1995. It came with a Evinrude 88 special. But then in 2014, I put a brand new Evinrude E-Tech, the Generation 1 130. Loved that boat to death. Loved it. Unfortunately, I sold it because I bought a race boat and had that at the same time, but needed money to race. So I guess that's really what got me on this. Is kind of wish I still had that boat. Although that boat might look a little like this because we've got another boat and we use that more often. But we're gonna clean this puppy up, get her shined up. As you can see, it's like super chalky. Just sitting in the sun. Yeah, I admit, neglected. But we'll get her all cleaned up and hopefully she'll start right up. I just bought a new battery, but we'll see about if she starts up. Other side, but this side Looks like you can see the shine that we got on this side. It's coming out good. Got the top rail done too. Got some shine to it. Alright, so still working on this, but just want to see if we can show off what kind of shine we're getting out of this. So we used to have the chalkiness, no chalkiness now. Getting there. It's getting there. And of course, playing with the wires. Getting the new battery put in. Sorry for the wind, it's been windy every day. Alright, so we got it all wrapped up, all clean, white, shiny. Got the new battery put in, so we're gonna see if she starts. Pretty good shine on pretty much everything. It's easy to see with sunlight. So let's see if she starts. Alright, let's check it out. Let's see if she runs. Here's a true test. Get a little pump on the ball. Water run. See what we got. Sell it. All shined up, ready for the water. Here's project number 2. 11.5 foot Boston whaler. I think it's a 76. She needs some love. This will be the next cleanup. Oh boy.